Hi, in this video we will be showing you our new AI assistant called Odin. This AI assistant is intended to guide the user and do everything it asks regarding the device management process. So the idea is that the user doesn't have to have any knowledge on how to use our software or any knowledge on Android Enterprise to be able to use our software, extract the best of it, and do any task that it needs only by chatting with the assistant, and the assistant will be able to execute all the actions needed. This assistant uses Gemini AI. I will be talking more about it later, but as you will be able to see with this Gemini AI, we are able to achieve that goal. So I'm logging into the system. First, I'm going to show you a little bit of it. So we have this A52 device, that is the device we will be using. So here we have the information about it. We have the location of the device, informations of also about the device. We have all the data that we have about it. We also have the entity that it's our profile. So in here we set the configuration of our companion app and everything that it has to the user has to configure he configures in here. And we also have an Android enterprise policy attached to this profile. That is the policy that shows how the device has to work. You also are very aware of it. So we have here the applications that it's going to be installed, all the configurations of the device, all that Android Enterprise provides to the EMM softwares. So the device we're going to show you is enrolled in this Android Enterprise policy. And we have two ways of accessing our AI. The first is this chat that shows on every screen. So the user can be on doing any task and he can immediately talk to the AI. And we also have an exclusive screen to have an immersive way of chatting with the AI. So here he has no distractions. He can only focus on talking and requesting information to the AI. Now we have here the devices screen and also the AI screen where we are going to be sending commands. Okay, so the AI can execute simple tasks as answering us information and questions about the environment and the devices, and also some more complex tasks as commands. So I will be first be asking some information about it. So how many Samsung's device do I have? Let's wait for it to answer. Every time we have this conversation, the questions are sent to Gemini, and Gemini processes it and gives us back the answer. So it answered us that we have 15 devices. Now I'm going to ask it to show me all those devices. I want to see the names of it. So there we go. We have all these devices. Of those, for instance, how many are have a low battery? So it can also answers me that based on the previous consultations that we did. There we go. Of all those devices we have above, this is the device that have a low battery. It assumes that low battery are low than 20%. And it also can execute commands. So I will send a command to this A52 or mobile device that it's the one that we are seeing on the screen. So for instance, first let's ask it to reset the device. Let's send this command to it. So as we know, AI can also make mistakes. So we also ask for the user to confirm the action that we generated on our code behind. So here it is asking to confirm that the reset device will be sent to the A52 mobile device. Another interesting thing is that we didn't had to type A52 or mobile. It knows that this is the only device that matches with the description A52, so it can understand which device we want to execute the command. So I'm going to be confirming, and let's check the device screen if it's going to be reset. There you go. We can see that it immediately executed the action. So let's wait for it to come back. There we go. Now let's send some other commands to it. So let's send a message to the device. So I'm telling it to please send a message to the API to the device. The message says ODIN demonstration. It will again ask me to confirm the the action. I'm going to confirm it. I can type yes, I can type only Y. It's going to understand that this is a confirmation. And we will see in the device screen the message will arrive there as soon as it confirms in here. There we go. It is already there. We see the Odin demonstration message. Okay, let's go back. Now let's add Gmail icon to the kiosk. One interesting thing is that before the user had to know the package name to do such things, and now we can only type the name of the app and the AI can understand which app do we want to add. As you can see, it translated the Gmail to the package name of the app that we want to include in the kiosk, and I'm going to confirm it. So besides doing everything the user needs, it also makes users' life easier. So as we can see, soon we will have Gmail on the device screen. I do need to confirm that I want to apply it right now because I can make a lot of changes before applying it once. There we go. So let's wait. So basically, we can include anything. We can create policies. We can create profiles. We can add application to be installed from the Play Store. I can include icons on our kiosk. I can change any configuration. And as the last demonstration I'm going to be doing here, so the video doesn't get too long, I'm going to remotely access the device. So let me request the AI to enable that. Again, it will ask me to confirm. I'm going to say yes, and it will enable the remote access. There we go. We will be able to see, we are already able to see the device on the screen. So we successfully remote accessed it. So this is our current state of our AI assistant. This is the state that it's going to be released on April 29. And we have a roadmap for it. So on the future, we wanted to be able to suggest corrections on configuration, to detect strange behaviors by the user or by the own environment, to detect vulnerabilities of security, and also any problem that might occur due to the configuration that the user is sending, and also to manage the inventory, to predictive security enhancements. So there's a lot of things that we can do, and we are pretty sure that we'll be able to do that in a very easy way using Gemini. Has given us a very easy way of developing that. As you could see, it understood every single command that we sent. It was able to execute every command, also an instruction. So it has given us a great power of computation and AI to be able to achieve what we aim to achieve. If you have any doubts, concerns, or any other information that you need, you can ask us. We are at your disposal. Thank you very much.